Hey everyone, welcome to Family Nacho Night. I am so excited to show you how to make the ultimate nachos right here. You won't believe how easy it is to make these luxury nachos using simple budget ingredients. Listen to that sizzle. We are officially starting the flavor right here. Welcome back to Sizzle Time. Listen to that incredible sound as the onions and beef hit the pan. To make this meal stretch further, we're adding 2 cans of beans right into the beef mixture. The key here is organization. We're layering these chips meticulously so they cook evenly and hold all that delicious topping. Time for my favorite part, because you can never have enough cheese. Let's add more cheese. Load it up. Look at that. Whoo! Oh, wow. That is some awesome taste right there. Absolutely delicious. Wow, these are so good. I'm so glad you like them. Eat up. I love watching you all enjoy this as much as I do.
These are the best nachos ever.
She's right, honey. Pure comfort food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now and ring the bell so you never miss a new video from us.